Chapter 8, The Soil. Introduction. Do you know what is soil? When you go into the garden, you will see plants, trees and grass. The basic thing that you need to grow plants is soil. Do you know how does soil form and what are its constituents? All living things on the earth, including humans, being depend on soil for food. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. It is formed by the breaking up of large pieces of rocks into smaller ones due to the action of natural forces. The information and equality of a soil depend upon the land and climate of a place. Soil is formed over thousands of years. The broken pieces of rocks are carried away by the agents of nature like running water and wind. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. Its thickness and fertility vary from place to place. India is blessed with different types of soil. The northern plains and deltas of the rivers in the South India have very fertile soil. Fact Finder. Soil is nature's water filter. Healthy topsoil can reduce the concentration of any pesticide in drainage water by 99.9%. Types of soil. Alluvial soil. The rivers coming from the Himalaya and the Deccan Plateau bring a large amount of broken rock materials like sand and silt with them. This material is deposited on the river banks. The soft and light material is called alluvial soil. It is very fertile for growing variety of crops. The main crops are grown in such soil are rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute and pulses. Let me answer. How long does it take for soil to form? Is it a long-term or short-term process? Black soil. The land of the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau is rocky and uneven. It is made up of lava rocks. The rocks deep inside the surface of the earth are very hot and remain mostly in the molten state. This molten material on cooling forms the lava rock. The soil formed by the lava rock is generally black in color. This type of soil is called black soil. Sugarcane, wheat, millet and cotton are grown in this soil. Red soil. In the rest of the Deccan Plateau, the soil is less fertile and reddish in color due to the presence of iron. The red soil, which is not very fertile, is called laterite soil. Mostly groundnut and millet are grown here. Do you know? Black soil is preferred for cotton crops, hence it is also called as black cotton soil. Sandy soil or desert soil. Desert soil is infertile due to lack for nitrogen and humus in it. Crops such as wheat, gram, cotton, millet, dates and fruits can be grown wherever water has been made available through irrigation. The soil in the desert areas of Rajasthan is sandy soil. Let me answer. Which soil is called rigger soil? What is the color of it? Mountain soil. The soil on the hill slopes is very thin and poor. It is coarse with big pieces of stone. Most of the fine rock particles are washed away by the rains. The soil is useful for planting fruit trees. Fruit farms are called orchards. The slopes are cut into terraces to grow rice and maize. Research and analysis. See the map and find out the most fertile regions of India. Write the names of these regions and also find out what kind of crops are grown here. Soil erosion. The large variety of soils help us to grow many crops in India. Where the soil are not fertile, we add manures and fertilizers to make them fit for growing crops. Now, our farmers have learned to look after the soil and grow more crops to meet the needs of the country. The process of carrying away of the fertile layer of soil by natural agents like running water and wind is called soil erosion. Health and wellness. Soil pollution affects the quality of crops grown in the polluted soil. It may contaminate the fruits and vegetables. These fruits and vegetables may not be good for health. Soil conservation. The following steps must be taken to conserve the soil. Cutting down of trees should be controlled. Many more trees should be planted, especially along the hill slopes. Fields should be always under some crop and grasses. Dams and reservoirs should be made across rivers. Indian Heritage Connect. In the olden days, Indian farmer used only organic manure as fertilizers. It is extremely fertile and does not damage the soil in any way. Summary: the formation of soil depends upon the land and climate of a place. The mountains and deserts are not fit for cultivation. We have a variety of soils: alluvial, black, red, etc. in India. We must keep our soil fit for farming. We should protect our soil from soil erosion by planting more trees. Art integration: make a sheet showing a plant and its roots in the ground. Show how the plant is supported by the soil. Draw and decorate your sheet and show it in your classroom. Exercises: creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever walked in the garden or visited an agricultural farm? What have you seen there? Have you ever planted any trees or plants? Share your experiences in the classroom. Cross-curricular connect. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Word search. You can see a grid below. Some words are hidden in this grid. Find the words in the given grid as fast as you can. Soil erosion, forest, desert, pollution, agriculture, weathering, conservation, parent rock. Logical decision making. See the pictures below and answer smartly. What will you find inside the soil? Let's practice. A. Write short answers for the following questions. 1. What forms the uppermost layer of the earth crust? 2. In which part of India is sandy soil found? 3. What is soil erosion? B. Write long answers for the given questions. 1. How is soil formed? 2. How is alluvial soil formed? 3. What is the difference between red and black soil? C. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash is formed over thousands of years. 2. The dash soil which is not very fertile is also called laterite soil. 3. Fruit farms are called dash. 4. The molten material forms the dash rocks on cooling. 5. The slopes are cut into dash to grow rice and maize. D. Multiple choice questions. 1. Black soil is made up of dash. 1 lava rocks, 2 silt, 3 stones, 4 bricks. 2. Desert soil is mainly found in the dash. 1 Deccan Plateau to Rajasthan, 3 West Bengal for northern plains. 3. Soil formation is dash process. 1 slow, 2 fast, 3 medium, 4 super fast. 4. Removal of topmost layer of soil is running water and wind is dash. 1 soil conservation, 2 desert soil, 3 alluvial soil, 4 soil erosion. 5. Sugarcane, wheat, millet and cotton are grown on dash soil. 1 desert, 2 black, 3 red, 4 mountain. E. Match the following. 1 rock, 2 red soil, 3 fruit farm, 4 land of Deccan Plateau, 5 soil erosion. A. Orchards be rocky and uneven. C. Removal of topmost soil by wind. D. A large mass of stones. E. Red color. F. Take the correct options. 1. We should plant trees to prevent soil erosion. 2. Soil is found only in the upper layer of the earth. 3. Desert soils are generally made of clay. 4. The soil on the hill slopes is very thin and poor. 5. Alluvial soils are found in the northern plains. Conceptual understanding. Crops need specific types of nutrients and environments to grow. Make a chart showing the different types of soil and the crops which can be grown in them. Types of soil, crops. Writing skills. Do you know how important is soil? Nowadays, a number of human activities are polluting the soil. Write 5 points each about soil pollution and its conservation methods.